In this video, I'll show you how to disable Google Ads auto-apply recommendations so you stay in full control of the changes made to your campaigns. Start by opening your Google Ads account and going to the left-hand menu, click Campaigns, then select Recommendations from the secondary panel that appears. This section shows optimization suggestions that Google generates based on your account activity and performance data. Inside the Recommendations page, look for the Auto-Apply Settings option. This is where Google Ads lists categories of recommendations that can be applied automatically, such as bidding adjustments, keyword additions, or updates to ads and assets. Open that section and review the categories carefully. To stop automatic changes, simply uncheck the boxes for the recommendation types you do not want applied automatically. Once disabled, Google will still show these suggestions in the Recommendations tab, but they will only be applied if you choose to implement them manually. Keep in mind that recommendations are suggestions based on system analysis and may or may not fit your specific campaign goals, so reviewing them periodically is a good practice. Subscribe for more clear and practical Google Ads tutorials.